back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new, my name is Arapana, and on my channel I do a lot of styling videos, clothing hauls, bougie on a budget, affordable fashion. I also do occasional motherhood, beauty, lifestyle content. I would love it if you guys would consider subscribing to my channel, giving this video a huge thumbs up. It really does help me out with the algorithm. Today's video is going to be a Walmart try-on haul, but before we get started with this Walmart haul, I want to show you what I received from Dossier this month, and I will also be giving away one of these items to you guys. And all you have to do to enter that giveaway is to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and drop me a comment down below. Tell me anything you want to tell me how your day is going, what's your favorite color, what type of food you like to eat, where you're from, anything. Let me know anything. So just come back the following day after the giveaway closes, and I will have the person's name in my description box that won the giveaway, and I will ask you to kindly email me, and I will of course ask you for your information so that way I can ship this item to you. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you guys know I love Dossier. So basically they are a perfume company, and they reproduce high quality luxury perfumes that you've seen and smelled before. So they take those perfumes and they reproduce them, so they give you the same luxury scent and feel without breaking the bank. So you're not paying $100 for a bottle of perfume. You pay $29 to I believe $50 is the most expensive bottle of perfume they have on their site. They have men, women, unisex perfumes. They have a bunch of different options for you guys. So normally Dossier does send you a sample to try out the perfume before you open up this bottle, but they recently have decided to help the environment, and they are no longer going to be giving out these samples. But you can still open up this bottle of perfume, test it out for 30 days, try it out. If you don't like it, you can definitely send it back. So you're pretty much still getting a risk-free order, which is really, really nice. So I definitely recommend them. And this one that I'm giving away is called Gourmand Patchouli. I'm so sorry if I butchered that. I probably did. This one is inspired by Terry Mugler's Angel perfume. I know that's a very, very popular perfume, and people love that perfume. I smelled that perfume a long time ago in a store, and I still remember it to this day, and this smells very spot on to the original. So this will be someone's giveaway perfume, so I don't want to like take it out or touch it too much because one of you will be winning this. So go ahead and enter. And the other perfume that I received this month is called, what is this called? Floriental Coconut. Oh my god, it smells so good, you guys, and it smells just like Tom Ford's Soleil Blanc perfume. I haven't smelled that perfume in store before. I've seen it. I know it's very, very popular. I know a lot of people love it. Tom Ford is definitely more on the expensive side. So this perfume, in my opinion, smells soft and light, but still very like come here, like, you know what I mean? So I love the scent of this one. This one has notes of cardamom, pistachio, bergamot. Those are the top notes. The middle notes are ylang ylang, tuberose, jasmine. Base notes are ciderwood, amber, benzoin, and coconut. Also, if you do decide to order something, please use this coupon code, save yourself some money. Like I mentioned before, they are phasing out the little perfume samples, so some of your orders will come with the perfume samples, some will not, as they start to completely get rid of them for the environment. So yeah guys, I love Dossier. I have other scents that I really love. I will list them down below. They are truly amazing. Mother's Day is coming up. These will make really great Mother's Day gifts. Also, they will make really great Father's Day gifts as well, because right after Mother's Day is Father's Day. So yeah, that's all I have to say about Dossier. Good luck on the giveaway, and let's get started with this Walmart try-on haul. So Walmart kind of surprised me with these little two-piece outfits. They are so cute, you guys. They have a bunch of different options. I do have one more option to show you. So this one I picked up is in this beautiful red floral color. You can wear this on the shoulder. You can actually wear it off the shoulder as well. I love an off the shoulder top, and it comes with this beautiful, beautiful skirt. I don't see anything through this material. Also, the skirt has a slit on the side, which is super, super cute. I love a cute little like maxi skirt and top set. I'm all for the two pieces. You guys know this. Two-piece sets are so effortless, and they make you look so put together. You really didn't try, you just put on a two-piece outfit, but you look so good in it. So these are really affordable. These are by No Boundaries. This was only $18.96, and I did size up in this one to an XXL, but I honestly feel like maybe I could have gotten away with an extra large. So I'm not really sure. If you're between sizes, I would suggest trying both sizes, because I feel like it's kind of in the middle with this one. It really has to depend on how it fits your body type. So yeah, I might try to find this in an extra large in another store and see which one fits me better. So next up is another two-piece set, and this one is so cute. It's in a pants version. Oh my gosh. These come in so many different prints, by the way. The skirt one comes in other prints. This one comes in other prints, but I had to get this blue color because it looks so beautiful on. So I did, again, size up in this one to an XXL, but I feel like the top portion is just a little bit too big for me. I might try the extra large and see how it fits. These pants are very flowy, by the way. The top here is stretchy, so it doesn't look stretchy in the front. It does have a little tie there, but it is stretchy in the back. And this is not functioning, by the way. This is just there for the look of the outfit. Super cute. I would recommend wearing some nude undies with this one because this one might be a little bit see-through, and this top is super stretchy, you guys. So I feel like you might be able to size down in this one. I'm going to go back and see if I can get this one in an extra large because this is just the cutest outfit. So simple, so easy, lightweight, and perfect for summer. Okay, this next outfit is giving me all the vacation vibes. So this is on the cropped side. It is a cropped wide leg jumpsuit. This material is very stretchy. I did size up to an XXL in this. Everything I've showed you so far is by No Boundaries. No Boundaries is a juniors brand, so I do typically size up, except for some reason those pieces that I just showed you, I feel like you can stick to your true size. This one I'm definitely glad I sized up in because an extra large would not have fit me. I'm sorry if you hear so much commotion going on outside. I don't know what it is. I'm filming on a Friday and the animals, the people, everybody's just going crazy outside. New York life for you, so I'm sorry if you hear that bird in the background. So this item has some padding sewn into it, so you can wear this without a bra or with a bra. I definitely prefer wearing padded items still with a bra. Also, it does have functioning buttons here, so you can leave it undone or button it all the way up. The back is the same as the front. The pattern just continues. This comes in other patterns as well, and if you're not paying attention, I feel like it kind of looks like a dress, but it is a jumpsuit. Next up is this vibrant top from Sofia Vergara. This is in a size large. This comes in other colors as well, and it's super pretty. This color just drew me in. This screams summer to me. I love this neckline, and I love that it has this little tie detail here. It has some buttons there. The back part here is stretchy, so if you are between sizes, I would size down in this one just because it's more of like a, not really a crop top, but it kind of just sits at your waist. Also, the straps in the back here are adjustable, so that's always helpful when they're adjustable. This also comes in muted colors like white and black if you are not into these bright colors, but this one, something about this one I just loved. Next up, we have another top by Sofia. This one is also in a size large, and it's a very comfortable off-the-shoulder top. It does come in other colors as well. So again, if you don't like colorful clothing items, it comes in white and black as well. Very pretty. The material is very nice. Her clothing items, the material on them are always super good quality. I've never had an issue with any of her clothing pieces. Quality is amazing. You can trust her pieces for the most part. I've again never had an issue. This one is double lined, so you're not going to see anything through it. Very comfortable, soft. So this one has a light to medium thickness. I love it. I just love off the shoulder tops in the summertime. I think they're very pretty. They show off a little bit of skin, not too much. Next up is this top, suitable for Mother's Day. Mother's Day is right around the corner. This is in a size extra large and right under $6. It just says mama on it, and it's in animal print. A simple basic black tee you can just throw on with some jeans or shorts or something. You can wear it in the house to lounge around. I just thought it was a cute item to just have. It just says mama, and it's fitting for Mother's Day. So if you like graphic tees, if you like band tees, this one is perfect for you. This is by the brand Scoop, and this is in size extra large. It just says the Beatles, here comes the sun. So I really like the print on this one because it was bright, but it wasn't too bright, you know what I mean? So you can see that there's a little bit of neon here, like just a tiny hint of neon, but it still looks super cute and muted at the same time. So the color is perfect for the summertime. The background color is like a soft muted yellow. The quality on this feels very nice. I love to like tuck in my t-shirts or like roll them up on the side. I think they look super cute that way. You can wear these with some biker shorts because they are on the longer side. Very cute tee. It does have some distressing up here. A tee like this is just an easy wardrobe piece. Like if you don't know what to wear, just grab a t-shirt. So next up was this t-shirt, but this I actually found in the loungewear section, in the pajama section. So I believe this is supposed to be like a lounge shirt because it is super long. It's like a tunic style. This would look really cute with some biker shorts for lounging around the house in. You can definitely wear this one out of the house with those same biker shorts, throw on some like chunky sneakers, you have yourself a little look. You can tie like a shacket around your waist. You have a whole vibe going on. This is super soft and comfy. What size did I get this? So this is in an extra large, and as you can see, it's an oversized tee. Very, very cute. I love the muted colors and these palm trees and the bright sky. So again, like the other t-shirt, it's a simple t-shirt with muted colors, but it just has like a pop of color which doesn't like overwhelm you. So I really like how they paired the colors together on these tees. I think they did a really good job of conveying both muted and bright colors at the same time. So next up, I got two bras. I found these again in the pajama section. So these to me are definitely more like loungewear bras. You can sleep in these. So I wasn't really sure which size I was going to like better. So I picked up a large. This one is in large and this one is an extra large, and they both fit fine. This one in the large fits really nice for like daytime lounging around the house, and this one in the extra large I feel like would fit perfectly if you were just sleeping in this, like just this and some pajama bottoms. This would be your best bet. It's super cute, super comfortable. They come in other colors as well, and I really like them because they are very soft. So this set comes with cropped pajamas, and these are in a short sleeve style. The buttons are functioning. These fit so comfortably. Who doesn't love pajamas? I love pajamas. I love pajamas that are in a matching set. They just make me feel better about myself. This one is a really good dupe for like the Nordstrom pajamas that I love. I do love those a lot, and these are a really good dupe for the Target pajamas. I won't say these are as soft as the Nordstrom or Target pajamas, but for half the price, well, almost half the price, these were $16.94. I think this is a pretty good deal. So that wraps up this quick Walmart try-on haul. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing, giving this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check out Dossier. Everything is linked down below. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Stay safe, you guys. Happy Mother's Day in advance, and I will see you next time. Bye.